John Prine wasn't the kind of guy anyone would have expected big things from. He was an underachiever in school and worked for years as a mailman before stumbling into a music career. He was often the guy in the corner, quietly taking in everything around him, and that came out in his music. My book, John Prine in Spite of Himself, traces the arc of an ordinary man with an extraordinary talent for songwriting. As I researched the book, I traveled to Muhlenberg County, Kentucky to explore the roots he sang about in songs like Paradise, to the Chicago suburbs where he grew up and started writing songs and playing guitar, and to Nashville where he spent most of his adult life. The book follows Prine from writing classic songs like Sam Stone and Angel from Montgomery as a young man, through signing with Atlantic Records in the 1970s, hanging out with Bob Dylan and Phil Spector, starting his own record label long before that was common, acting in movies with John Mellencamp and Billy Bob Thornton, surviving 2 bouts with cancer, and making fans of everyone from Johnny Cash to Miranda Lambert. My book tells the story of how that underachieving kid ended up with a Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award. I hope you enjoy it.